So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install Apache JMeter in Windows 11. So Apache JMeter is used to test performance, both on static and dynamic resources, as well as web dynamic applications. But before installing Apache JMeter, make sure that you have downloaded and installed Java. You can follow the link and learn how to download and install Java in the description below. So first, open your default browser and search for Apache JMeter. Click the official link jmeter.apache.org. Later, you will be welcomed on the official website. On the left side of the screen, under the download, click Download Releases. Scroll down, and under the binaries, click the Apache JMeter 5.6.3. So it's a zip file. So wait for your file to get downloaded. So our download is complete. So we need to extract or unzip our files. So click on the Show in Folder, this icon. So first we need to unzip our folder. Right click and click Extract All. So click Extract. So here is our unzipped folder. So the next thing we need to do is copy the folder in our program files. So copy the folder. Open your C drive. Open the program files and paste your folder. Click Continue. So here is our folder. Open the folder. Open bin. And here you'll see our Apache JMeter application. Open it. So you can see its interface. So when the Apache JMeter is opened, it's meaning that you have successfully installed Apache JMeter in our system. So let's set the path. Copy the path. Come to the search bar and type edit system environment variables. So edit the system environment variables. Click Open. Under the advanced option, click Environment Variables. So under the system variables, double click Path. Click New and paste the path that you have recently copied. Click OK. So we have successfully pasted our path in our edit environment variables. So click OK, OK, and the last OK. So that's how to download and install Apache JMeter in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.